Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A32 5G, and today I'll show you how you can activate Hey Google. So at the first we have to go for our Google folder and then tap Google app, move to the more, tap on the settings and click on the voice. Then move to the voice match and then simply tap on the switcher. Right now we have to get access to the Hey Google voice, so click next, tap agree. And as you can see, the Hey Google is ready because I use it a lot of times on this Google account, but I'll show you how it will be looks in your way. You will have this circle and you have to say 2 times OK Google and 2 times Hey Google. OK Google, Hey Google, and the last one, Hey Google. And after this simple process, you will be able to use your Google Assistant. So right now when you say Hey Google or OK Google, we are going to turn on our Google Assistant. And yeah, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.